Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this right here, a brand new accessory for my brand new Pixel 2 device. Now, this is a wireless Bluetooth headset from Edifier. So shout out to those guys over at Edifier for sending this one out for me to look at. Now this is one of Edifier's top shelf Bluetooth headsets. And from the looks of it, the quality seems to be very top notch, and it does offer some extra features that not a lot of Bluetooth devices have. So some of the features it's saying is that it has a modern ergonomic design. That's the one that goes behind the neck so it doesn't drop out and drop on the floor or anything like that. There's a 30mm moving coil that ensures outstanding performance, and notably in the mid-range and low frequencies. So the bass should be pretty good on this Bluetooth headset, all right? Now it does have a mic built in, so that's good for video calls, voice calls. Now this headset does have a controller built in for you to answer calls, play, pause music, and skip between tracks, all right? Now it says it has voice control wake up signal enabled, so that's pretty cool. Now I did say it has some extra features that not all the Bluetooth headset has, and that is that this particular one, you're able to connect to up to 2 Bluetooth headsets, all right? So I can connect to my phone and my computer at the same time and just switch between them. So that is really dope. We're gonna do some testing, see how easy that works and how seamless and flawless it is and how good it sounds, because it's a headphone, right? It has to sound good. So enough chatting, guys, let's get into this unboxing, all right? Guys, this is nice. It says a passion for sound. Now right here it just shows the little diagram of the headset and all the ports and buttons. All right guys, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's take it out. So it has a nice little bronze. I wouldn't really call this rose gold, but maybe for some. Oh, it has a pouch in there. All right, there's a pouch over this side, more ear tips, and the charger and the booklet. And they're all separately packaged. This is nice, Edifier. Kudos to you guys. All right, so we have some white tips here, bigger ones, smaller ones, cable, manual, and over here we have a nice little pouch. Oh, wow. All right, with the Edifier logo right there. It's pretty dope, yeah? All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn this thing on. Let's flip that switch right there, should power it on. And all right, so let's go ahead, get my phone, and let's connect to this bad boy. This gets really loud, guys. I can't hear a thing. And it's really comfortable. All right, guys, so I had to pause it. I couldn't hear a thing. Now, normally with these earbuds, they kind of drop out, but it's very comfortable. It's lightweight. I am not even feeling it at all. It's not like I didn't even force it in, guys. Like I just put it in and it's not dropping out at all. Like it's not dropping out at all. I'm mixing it up, guys. I'm sorry. It gets really loud. Like this is a thumbs up. This Edifier W360BT. BT stands for Bluetooth. They are dope. They are dope and a perfect accessory for my Pixel 2. Now it's very clear, the bass is there. I'm giving this a thumbs up, 10 out of 10, guys. It's light, it doesn't come out of your ears easily at all. Comfortable, easy to pair. Guys, definitely, it's worth your money. I'll put links for this in the description box down below. You can check it out and check out other Bluetooth headsets or just other audio peripherals that Edifier has. And Edifier is a brand that I definitely stand by because they have some great products and they're pretty affordable, guys. This is probably about $70 or $8. I'm not quite sure at the moment, but I'll put it in the description box down below. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this unboxing and a little demonstration of my brand new Edifier headsets. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Daquan. I'll catch you guys in the